Hey guys, do you think I can catch a fish from this creek with my bare hands? Come on, fish. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. I don't see any fish here, guys. I don't see any fish in this creek. A little stream like this can be called a creek, or a brook, or a stream. There's different words for basically the same thing, okay? A brook. What did I say? Which word did I use? A brook? Creek? Stream? Was there another one? Brook, creek, stream, and did I say any other ones? Anyway, there's a bunch of different words for just a small little stream like that. If I caught a fish with my bare hands, would you be proud of me? Would you be proud of me? Well, guys, today I want to talk about the difference between the words proud and pride. Because someone asked me that recently. One of my students asked me, Mark, what's the difference between pride and proud? I hear someone following me, guys. I better pick up my pace. I'll go across this nice little bridge here. So, do you know the difference between the words proud and pride? I'll tell you after you smash the like button. I'm just kidding. I'll tell you before you smash it. Okay, so they both have a positive and a negative meaning, a good and a bad meaning. So you can use the word pride in a good way and a bad way. And you can use the word proud in a good way and a bad way. I'm out of breath, guys. I was working too hard trying to catch some fish from that creek. I should have come here to this canal. See, this is not a creek. This is like it's called a canal. Okay, it's just a little man-made river. It doesn't really go anywhere. Okay, guys, so the good meaning and the bad meaning. Now, actually, first, I should mention that these words are a different part of speech. What is a part of speech? Remember your English grammar class? If you took one in high school, you learned the different kinds of words. There are nouns, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, all those ones. Well, the word pride is a noun, and the word proud is an adjective. Okay, so we use them a little bit differently. Okay, so someone's left a mattress here by the canal. Look at, or is that not a mattress? What is that? Oh, that's a cement. I thought that was a mattress, guys. Doesn't that look like a mattress? It's like a concrete. What is that for? I don't even know what that's for, guys. But it's not a mattress. Imagine sleeping on that. Imagine having that as your mattress. Would you be able to sleep at night on a rock hard mattress? Anyway, guys, okay, so pride is a noun, proud is an adjective. Okay, so here's some examples. I am proud. Does that have a good meaning or a bad meaning? If I say I'm proud, well, it probably means something bad. It means I'm arrogant. I think too highly of myself. That plane is proud. Ruining my video. Who do you think you are, plane? Ruining my video. Okay, so if somebody is proud, that's not a good thing. That means they're kind of stuck up or snobbish. Snobby? What's the word? Snobbish, I think. They you know, they're like kind of overconfident. They're proud. He's a proud man. They've got a lot of arrogance in their heart. Guys, this is just such a peaceful evening. This is rare here in Canada to have no wind, here in Alberta anyway, to have no wind. Like there's like literally no wind. That is strange, guys. This is beautiful. It's cold. It's about 11 degrees. That's why I'm wearing a jacket. It's about 10, 11 degrees out here. And it's the middle of summer, which is weird. But, oh, I think I just saw a fish. Maybe a little minnow. Minnow is a very small kind of fish. A minnow. Okay, so if somebody is proud, that's not a good thing. Nobody wants to be friends with proud people. Now, what does that mean? Well, it means they have too much pride in their heart, right? So they mean the same thing. Proud and pride, the bad meaning means the same thing, and the good meanings mean the same thing, right? So if someone is proud, you can say he has too much pride. He has too much pride. He's too proud. Okay, now what if I say, I'm proud of you? I'm proud of you. Is that good or bad? Well, that's a good meaning. That means I'm really happy with you. It means I'm just honored to, maybe you did something that made me proud. Like maybe you learned English really well. I'm proud of you. You know, you're doing amazing. You're doing great. I'm proud of you for everything you've done, right? So it means you're pleased with someone. You're satisfied with them. You are, you know, you're just happy with them, right? Are you proud of anybody? Are you proud of me? I hope you guys are proud of me. I'm proud of you. So that's the good meaning of proud. Now, what about pride? How can we use this in a good way and a bad way? Well, just look at this beautiful place, guys. Isn't that nice? It's so calm. The water is so calm. Anyway, let's keep walking. I was just enjoying a nice view there. Okay, so, you know, here's a good example. He takes pride in his work. He takes pride in his work. That means he loves his work, and he's you know, he puts a lot of effort into it, and he wants to do a good job in his work, and he's really pleased with his work. He's really satisfied with his work. He takes pride in his job. Do you take pride in your job? Do you like what you do? Let me know, what is your job? Let me know down in the comments what you do. Do you take pride in it? I think people are following me. I am hearing noises. I better run down to the river and escape. It's not a river, it's a canal. Look at that, guys. Just look how calm and peaceful it is right here. Isn't this incredible? No wind, no water. I mean, you can see some slight ripples. See, those little things on the water are called ripples. Oh, I think a fish just jumped out here, guys. So let's see. If I throw a rock into the water, you're going to see some ripples. Okay? Okay, so those things that go out, they start kind of here and then they move out like that. So you can see the ripples going out there. So those are called ripples. Man, this is so peaceful. Would you like to come here? Maybe you can buy a house here, guys. If you have $1 million to spend. These houses are would be about $1 million here, like these nice ones along the canal here. They're big, and there's just obviously nice walking paths. That one's just being built. Maybe you can buy that one. So you can just step out of your, step out of your house and come on these nice paths here and just enjoy the water, and it's This would be a sweet place to live. If I had $1 million, I think I'd buy a house here. If you have $1 million, maybe you should buy me a house here. Wouldn't that be awesome? So guys, what about another sentence, a good example? Let's say she is proud of her husband. She is proud of her husband. That means she's just, she thinks about him in a very highly. She thinks highly of him. She's, you know, she's happy with him. She's satisfied with him. He's doing a good job probably. You know, if a husband is trying hard and his wife is proud of her husband, that's a good thing. That's really great. Okay, so what about a negative meaning of pride? Did we talk about that already? You know, I hate his pride. His pride is completely unchecked. You could say maybe, hey guys, just gonna go down to this rock here. Man, look at that. Is your pride unchecked? If something is unchecked, that means it's kind of just out of control. It doesn't have any kind of restraint. Okay. So it's not good. That's not good. If your pride is unchecked, you should be more humble. You should learn how to be more humble. Okay. Pride comes before a fall. Remember? Pride, if you're really arrogant, you will probably have a really big fall in life, and then you will be humbled, right? So pride comes before a fall. Any other examples I can think of? What are some examples you can think of with those words? Pride and proud. What are you most proud of in life? What do you take pride in? And what do you think of proud people? I don't take pride in proud people. Maybe you could say, I don't take pride in my pride. Right? I don't take pride in my pride. It means you're proud and you don't like it. Right? Maybe you're a proud person and you know you're a proud person and you don't like it. You could say, I don't take pride in my pride. Okay. You know, so what do you take pride in? What is the biggest thing, you know, in life that you've tried hard maybe in something, and you take pride in something that you've done? Maybe you accomplished something. Maybe you graduated with a PhD. You could say, I am proud of myself. I take pride in my achievement. Okay, so what are your achievements? You know, I'm proud of you. Are you proud of yourself? Maybe you're not proud of yourself today, but I'm proud of you guys. Man, look at that. Those nice purple flowers. Those people have some nice purple flowers there. That's a massive house, guys. Wow, and look at that bridge. Isn't that a beautiful bridge? Wow. If I built that bridge, I would be very proud of myself. I would take pride in my work, but I did not build that bridge. I can take pride in my province, right? I'm from Alberta. This is Alberta. So if you come to Alberta, maybe you will be proud. You can become a proud Albertan too. Okay, so I could say I am a proud Albertan. That means I'm proud of being from this province. Are you proud of where you're from? You know, I'm just, you know, there are many things Alberta has done right. Okay guys, look at all these little bugs. Can you see them in the camera? I don't know if you can see them, guys. There's just a billion little bugs here buzzing around. But Alberta is a very nice place you can see, you know, places like this, and it's a great place, you know. It's got a lot of things, nice mountains, nice people, hardworking people, you know. So I'm proud to be an Albertan. I take pride in being Albertan. I'm a proud Canadian too. So Alberta is a province, Canada is a country. What country are you from? Are you proud to be from your country? So guys, there's some examples. Let me know your examples down in the comments. And I'll try to get in shape so I don't have to breathe so heavily, guys. But let's just go here to the nice canal so that I can bid you farewell from a nice peaceful spot. Look at that. Wow, look at the nice reflection of the bridge in the water. That's amazing. So guys, as always, I love you so much. I'm proud of you today. Thank you for being so great. And hope you're doing well. Hope you're staying safe and happy and healthy. And that's it. As always, I'll see you guys over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.